Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy S&P 500 on Tiger Trade. So let's go and do that. Now first thing you need to do is open up your app and then go to the quotes. Alright. Now you can click at the top right corner, you will see the second one here is the magnifying glass. Click on it and then you can type in SM 500 like so. I can do that. I think this one is correct. And yeah, right now I guess in this demo version is not available. So I can check right here. If I scroll watch list and then to the end, more, I think options here, S&P 500, like so. All right, overview, it's nothing. But if I go here to the options, here you see that we can select select strategy. So I will select vertical. I will select this one, for example. Then you can strike width here. You can set up strike width. And then when you are ready with all of this settings, you can start trading right here. You see the button. I'm in demo account, so I'm not able to trade this S&P 500 right now. But if you are in live, you can do that the same way. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.